Hi friends, welcome to the new series 1 Minute JavaScript. Let me show you this program. What will be the output of this? Choose your option. Let me explain. This program is to test the concept of variable hoisting in JavaScript. This if condition is just to confuse you. Some of you may think as this condition is going to be false, this variable will not be defined, and so option D is correct. But actually, regardless of the condition, the memory allocation will happen. So option D is wrong. And we know only variable declarations are hoisted, not the value. So A will be undefined here. And so option C is also wrong. And in line number 8, even though we have assigned variable A to B, the variable B has been declared as let. Let variables cannot be accessed before initialization. So in line number 2, we get the reference error. That means option A is also wrong. The right option is option B. Please like this video and tell in comment whether you have guessed the right option. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.